If you're looking for real results in the least amount of time, this is the device I recommend. It takes less than 5 minutes, works on my face and under eyes, and honestly gives me some of the best payoff for the least amount of effort. I'm also going to be sharing with you why this is the only device that I take with me when I travel. So let's get started and talk about the Amiro R3 Turbo. The R3 Turbo combines radio frequency for skin tightening. You all know, if you've been following me, that is my absolute favorite technology at keeping the face firm and youthful. It also has EMS, which is electric muscle stimulation for contouring of the face. It also has red and yellow LED light for wrinkle reduction and brightening. It also has infrared light for collagen and production, increasing your collagen and production levels. So what does it even do? So this is going to target wrinkles, puffiness, and sagging skin. You can use it on the jawline, you can use it on the cheeks, the forehead, and underneath the eye area. So it has 3 simple modes. It has eye care mode for dark circles and puffiness, and the radio frequency on the eye care mode is also going to help to tighten this area that gets kind of crepey and saggy. It also has V contour mode, where it's going to lift the jawline, and that is a 4-minute treatment. And it also has a full face mode, which is going to smooth fine lines, wrinkles, and then of course firm the skin in under 5 minutes. So the price of this device, I think that it retails for $369.99, but they are always having sale. And I do have a discount on this, which is $70 off if you use Amiro 70. So just keep that in mind. I want to talk to you about why I feel that this is the best for travel. So I travel probably 4 or 5 times a year, and I want something that has radio frequency, has EMS, because I love the quick effect of the EMS. The EMS is going to give you kind of like that instant lift. I mean, this is not going to be Botox lift. That's not what I'm talking about, but it's definitely noticeable. And I would say that this is more of electric muscle stimulation rather than microcurrent. So you are going to feel it, okay? This is the only device that I travel with. And when I went on to Europe for 26 days, this is the device that I use because it is so versatile, and it takes less than 5 minutes per session. It fits inside my carry-on makeup bag. They have this gorgeous little carrying case, which I love. And it only uses a USB charging. So it's really, there's not like a lot of cords. It's not heavy cords, which I absolutely love. And this little bad boy only weighs 210 grams, which is very light on the hand. So it's not going to, weigh a ton in your carry-on. So if you do need a gel with this, so I want to be very clear about that. You do. And I've been using the Amiro gel with this. I also have other gels that I use, but some sort of conductive gel is definitely something that you're going to want to use with this device. I want to share with you just kind of a quick, like my routine when I'm traveling and kind of how I use it. If I'm traveling for a week, I usually do the eye mode like twice during the week. And what I like to do is I apply the conductive gel around the eye area. And then it's a 2-minute treatment per side. I don't like to get a timer out. So what I like to do to ensure that I'm getting 2 minutes on each side is I just like to go back and forth like this. So upward motions, and I like to alternate, and then it will stop in 4 minutes. So I will do that usually in the morning or the evening. And then what I do when I'm traveling is on the opposite days, I will do the full face mode. And I will usually do that a couple of times a week as well. And what I like to do is, and make sure that you always do this on clean, dry skin, and then you add your gel on. And then you're going to go on in upward motions as well when you're using that full face mode. Just on the full face mode, you're not going to want to do the under eye area. That under eye area is specifically the eye care mode. So that is really important. It does have 5 intensities, just so you know. You are going to feel the EMS on this device more than you're gonna feel the heat. So I just wanna make sure that you note that, okay? Some people don't like any muscle stimulation on the face. This is something that you're going to feel even at a level 1. It's not super intense, but you will feel it, okay? After I'm done with my treatment, I like to just add on my serums, and then if it's during the day, of course, sunscreen, and I'm out the door. And then in the evening, a retinol. Super easy to use, like I said. Now, if this is something that you wanted to use like as your full-time radiofrequency, like you are looking for a full-time radiofrequency device, and you love the versatility of this device, and you love that it is very minimalist and it's only going to take 5 minutes or under per treatment, then what I suggest doing is using this. If you have advanced signs of aging, you're going to want to go 3 times a week on each mode for more advanced signs of aging. If you have mild signs of aging, I would say 2 times a week. After a good 60 days, you can then go 1 to 3 times per week, and that's going to definitely depend on your skin needs. What's really important is that the magic is in the healing process. The results come not just from the session itself. You are going to see a beautiful, lift, especially in the cheek and jaw area from that EMS. But over time, you're going to see the regeneration of collagen, and you're going to see that your skin will look more youthful. I say 60 days, you're going to be like, okay, I'm seeing some results. I'm really liking this. 90 days is where you're going to be like, wow, I'm loving this. And then of course, 6 months, the results just get better. I think that I have compared this to another device from Amiro. I will put that link off to the side if you want to kind of do some comparison as well to see the differences. And please comment with your favorite skincare product and or beauty device that you love to travel with. And also, don't forget to check out the link in the description and use Amiro 70 for $70 off if that is something that you are interested in. And please like this video, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you. Until next time.